Yo, in a shocking turn of events in Thokoza today, this morning, apparently a cash in transit robbery ended in disaster. Okay. Allegedly, a robber lost his leg and a part of spine during the incident that happened in Thokoza. So this occurred when this BMW ramped onto this koloi ya Tjhelete, and then abaqeda ukuchayisa koloi ya Tjhelete, one of the mgulukutus came out, as a steering holding explosive, and I mean live ones, like utsuri, when you're holding a cricket, it's already live. So unfortunately, the bomb exploded, causing him to sustain injuries. So apparently, mlenze wa hayi was dislocated, and the spine high apparently was damaged, and they ran away, but we are not sure if they took the money or they ran away empty-handed. But now you ask yourself, we are no balile jwang with no leg. And now someone who saw explained, a eyewitness explained that the other gang, they came back for him, but they left umlenze lapaya, or on the scene. Mlenze was left on the scene, but now he was taken by the gang and they ran away with him without umlenze wakhe. So the police have the umlenze with them for further questioning and all that. So yo guys, South Africa. And but I think Moaling Deng already to this gang, he's just Elon, a collateral. Like honestly, there's nothing that they can do with him. Mhlawumbe akasaphile nokuphila njengamanje. If it's not pain, it's through yabona isibhamu bamsusile but swenzani. But honestly, bare ka Sesotho bare lesole le shwela mosebetsing, ne. So guys, let me until the next update, remember to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Bye.